Hello, my name is Don Scinto. I started working in a machine shop in 1962. He says, and my job at times was to go out and portably grind a crankshaft in a car. This film will show you how it was done with a machine that was designed in 1918 by Sunnen. I says, and I probably ground the crankshafts up to 1970, and then 1973 I started my own business and I never used the machine again. He says, I came across the machine and I says, wow, not too many people have seen this job done, and I had the opportunity to grind a crankshaft in a car. So I took the device and I went and ground one journal on a crankshaft, just to make this video and show people what the machine could do. He says, so if you want to watch the movie or whatever, he says, I'll explain it to you. All right, the basic start of the machine was the crankshaft has to be turning over. There's a motor and a unit to replace the starter to turn the crankshaft over. Then it's basically set up with a parallel bar that bolts to the pan rail, and the machine has a hook that hooks over the crankshaft. It lines up with the parallel bar, and it rotates with the engine. Then on top of the grinding motor, there's a wheel, a stone, that is the width of the journal, and it's a cup, looks basically just like a cup, and it turns, and as the unit goes around, it says the basic piece follows it, and the stone turns by the machine, and it has a lever that passes the stone from side to side across the journal, and that's what cuts the sides. As it goes across the journal, it ends up with the end of the cup and walks off the journal. And basically that's the whole thing, and it's adjustable for any side, up side play and anything else. But basically that's all it does, and you grind it usually in 20, 25 minutes, 30 minutes. You got a nice round journal.
And this crankshaft, you determined that it couldn't be fixed in the car, so you decided to just do the one for the video, and then it would have to be...
Yeah.